In this video, we'll show you how to replace an electric range element with new Sensi-Temp technology. No special tools are required to complete this task. Our electric range element comes with an enhanced safety feature called Sensi-Temp technology. It prevents cookware from getting too hot, which could potentially ignite common cooking oils. To replace your old element, first make sure the knobs and switches are all off and the range is not hot. Then make sure that the coil is completely cool before proceeding. If so, lift the burner element until it reaches a 45-degree angle, then pull away from the receptacle to detach the terminals. Before installing the new element with Sensi-Temp technology, make sure the drip pan is properly aligned. The notch in the drip pan should be on the opposite side of the receptacle. Now insert the terminals back into the receptacle at a 45-degree angle and lower the new element until it rests in the notch. Then turn on the burner to ensure that it was properly installed. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.